Una, welcome back on top the night show for today. Will be Thursday. What did they call them? Ginger Thursday. When they say we go bring somebody we don't sit down where for what then they do. When they say don't big, they don't be like oracle, they don't be like shrine for even name for what then they do. So that you where they there, we won't be like them. You can copy and be like the ministry. But today now somebody with the sweet my belly. When you be say this guy ministry, if I feel just touch the hem of his garment, oh God. My life will never be the same. No other person that Bright Okpocha, a.k.a. Basket Mouth.
Morgan.
Man of God. You're welcome.
You won't touch my hem. Don't touch him. Don't touch him.
At least if I touch the hem of your garment, I know something will follow there. Come on.
No problem now. But you don't even touch past hem. You don't touch clothes. You don't hug me. With anything come as
I don't kiss you.
No, baby, so we talk for camera now.
Una, welcome back. Still on top the night show. Now, sharp, Basket, make we enter another. So, again, what I be asked you before. I don't know whether you answer and finish.
The one about comedians we won. First of all, the first, no, because it made them be their own competition. Then the second one, when I go try, you know, now one thing make it be say you want do comedy because the yes say people they do and say money they inside. Now that thing make it be say they your blood. God na talent. Do you understand? If not talent, then you are okay. If no be talent, your lifespan go dey short. Do you understand? We know if you mention names of people we be say enter because they don't run come out. No be moi. You understand? You no be banking we be say if you go school you read, you go sabiam or doctor. And this one you get to you understand what they do. Make it no be like say.
Okay.
So as I dey talk.
As you dey talk, so waiting. As you dey talk,
So as I dey talk, so the thing about politics, we say we need to understand. We say politics. If you look at Obasanjo, GPDP, CAPC, you can't wonder say waiting concern.
Not be politics we dey talk. We talk about if person want packaging, if person want if he get am for inside the body, how you go take do am.
Yes, that's the same thing we dey talk about. Now, if you look football, Mourinho, see Kanu Nwankwo. What's the connection between Mourinho and Kanu Nwankwo?
Not be waiting at the talk be that. Not be football. I say those people, the people now where they say they look up to you now. Now waiting, you say if they not get them inside them, they not get comedy inside them.
Now the same thing. Nollywood, Bollywood. What is the future? Think about it when you look at all these things. Wait first, I dey come and get myself. I dey come.
Let's come and wait. Now that get way past now they do you all this thing. I never promised you so I will give you the babe.
What did they get that?
Now calm down now.
Did they get confused?
I calm down.
But I know
down.
see when would they record?
Calm down.
Make need to let guests they walk up.
And then me say I don't even know say you go enter. Calm down. See, if you want pass, okay, nothing go happen. Anything want answer you now, ask you now, answer me. I'll give you two.
I be the thing this thing.
Nothing calm.
So the question, what did they talk before?
If you not get comedy inside you not get them.
Fine. Fine.
So,
as I be the talk, man, I no vex. I beg. I was distracted. You know all these things. You know, they say the best way to avoid temptation are to fall for him.
So you fall for him.
They fall for temptation. If you fall for temptation, we think devil get with you again. Devil go leave you hand now.
You don't go spend too much time.
You don't go spend too much time. So when they opposition, you kuku agree. Because if you fight temptation, devil go dey push and fight.
So let me say you do not believe me when I tell you before, so I go give you the babe.
Yeah, I'm not believe now. Not be you been talking openly now. I don't believe say you go do it like that.
See as you do so now, see that babe now. I will give you that babe. I know they shout now. I will give you the babe. Give you another one.
Now they talk now. As they talk about people who want to do talent, who want to comedy. You need to, apart from the fact say the thing in your body, you need to also understand say there are two ways. If you get the talent they good, they rich for your body. You don't come package and people go price you cheap. Now I will give you an example. If you see, what will be the difference between all these champagne? I don't want to mention brand name. All those champagne when they say 80,000 and the one when they say 15,000.
Na packaging.
The difference between some cars when they say 30 million and those when they say 4 million. Na packaging. All of them get AC. All of them get engine. They get the same thing.
The music they play.
Everything they play. Nothing where they all na packaging. My brother, I know life when you see. I know how much be $50,000.
You know how many million?
I know how many times that they work to get $50,000. Don't be saying joke. 100,000 now 18 million.
Of course.
Which means 50,000
9 million.
You won't tell me. Say you get 9 million. Land don't finish for Lagos. Car don't finish.
You no go like join the two cars where you get the Range Rover and the
Camry. No, my brother, hear word. He gets on more the year. Then Casey take one watch. Say he just buy Rolex for the background at the Rolex shop now a day. If not so, then they do watch now. Which means I don't buy plenty watch for that because you know how now I go just throw enter Hublot their office say please let me try this watch. Yeah, snap me. Send it to Linda. You know hard now. No. Then they do they lie. This industry, nobody. Then they lie too much.
But you know, Casey is a fashion icon.
For where? Casey, if they watch, that your suit where they always the button stop and they wear t-shirt. You look better in t-shirt.
He get one fashion icon. Casey,
he's a fashion icon.
Casey, na my guy. You my guy before you know.
Every time they buy new car.
Wait,
your house na stadium. If you want packaging, no be so that they package. Packaging. See, packaging is silent. See, Mas, if you notice, man, see, Mas show you package. Mas give you a package. You see the t-shirt we have here. Now just normal t-shirt. Normal joggers. Normal trainer. But I can't wear something for hand.
You understand?
But if you notice, I know they do the shoe. But anytime we are flashing like this, now scope. If you are flashing like this, people just, they won't look, they don't see, and they will carry the watch just go. Now scope. Now sense. You understand? Like these glasses we are wearing. The truth will they be saying. This glass, some day they shine for you. But I want me to see the brand. Packaging.
You what packaging where Casey do? Wear one trouser like that. That was the way we wear. Now somebody can snap in go this same house, show the picture of the Casey and the cutting waiting for him.
No. That person just wants to set them up. You know they stingy like that for clothes.
Now.
No, I never talk finish now.
Oh, you never talk finish?
No.
Oh, yeah, no.
They lie. This industry, the truth will they be saying, to send picture, put for Linda. It don't easy.
You know, it's not easy.
You don't,
Just put that for Instagram.
Yeah, if you put that on Instagram, you don't pick up one hand. So now they don't know. That's why any small thing, they don't put picture with this one, picture with that one, business class. Me personally, I don't get that time. But if I get opportunity, I dey talk. Now, another one where I want to talk. Now these new ones, where these our girls don't start. Any small thing, bikini dress, bikini this one,
bikini
body, this one body. Now so I see one, I don't forget her name. She take bikini shot for inside bush. Where the swimming pool then? Now stream they go swim inside. Now stream they wear bikini go swim inside.
Maybe don't go Christmas.
No. Even if the stream, maybe the person will take the picture, they back and the stream they behind the person. But even it don't make sense. How you go wear bikini for inside forest?
No, it's possible. We don't know what they do for inside the forest. Think you get what people they leave house. Say go enter inside bush.
Oh, no. You know, no be bikini. All those babalawo they ask for now. They'll say they come naked.
But maybe now the process. Maybe don't come out the cloth.
Maybe except the babalawo na young babalawo.
All those people they use laptop.
They use laptop because say okay, you don't need just they come naked wear bikini.
Okay.
Picture after the
sacrifice. Except in that one.
Because it don't make sense.
What you go talk about celebrities that enter politics? We get 4 minutes more.
For that one, man, I don't want to talk. Me, they no can go win. They no can dash me money.
Because my brother, nice. Desmond Elliott. Sorry, Desmond Elliott.
Desmond Elliott.
He don't win primaries.
Don't win primaries. It be Tony Tetula.
Tony Tetula not win.
He don't win.
I say no win.
He win primary.
He win primary.
I don't know what I win.
I say no win. D1 no win.
D1 no win.
KSB no win. KSB now she will just face her restaurant now. You know say she get restaurant. She could just face the restaurant now. But only Desmond Elliott. I don't know why they always call him Desmond Elliott.
You don't win. I don't like Desmond since. I'm a very good friend. The guy get very good ambition. And I like the guy. Desmond is a very good guy. And that's why I like Desmond. Because the same way for Desmond, if you look his skin is so fresh. You know Desmond, they're very smart.
The last time we met you see for events, we'll talk about Desmond. No, you not talk, nobody seen you talk.
That time I don't be like this now. I don't change. Now I have the heart of God in my bosom. Desmond is a good guy. Desmond get good heart, oh. Desmond get good heart. The dash person money.
I don't hear. The easy beat. Give us beat. Maybe basketball rap now. You are going to basketball. For those of you who go, basketball is a rapper. Sorry, rapist. Oh yeah, rap.
I want rap now, so they want me. Hey, they crazy, their father. Hey, their mother. And they call it that.
Their father.
Their mother. Yo, all your.
Their father.
Oh, yeah, come on. 1, 2, see. You see, all y'all phony MCs beyond the dust. You want to grab the mic, oh boy, no be by force. When you the rap nonsense, your man be say you be bros. You do like person, wait, was nash boss. Don't ever try to fuck no squad or you go lost. Yo, it's a must, the I will always come first. Anytime I come on stage, I start to bust. Everybody go they jump around like crisscross. Me and my crew representing Lagos. Connecting dope rhymes from here down to just. We were keeping the world for this new millennium. Got people dancing in thousands and millions. Whether you be military or civilian, whether you be foreigner or Nigerian. Say,
Their father.
their father.
Their father.
Their father.
Their father.
I don't want to mention the names of the people where they are with
Their father.
All those people with the thief money.
Their father. Yo, I want rap now. Yo, DJ Easy Beat, give me beats. Yeah, all of you now, where they there? Double toilet, all of you now. So now watch the night show with me. Their father. I'm about to skip mouth. Their father.
Their father.
Hey, no, not for their father.
Yeah. Those people with the thief money.
Those with the thief money. Their father. Double toilet.
All those ones who don't want to give us lights.
Their father.
All those ones who don't want to repair roads.
Their father.
All those ones where
their father.
all those guys where they charge.
No, una do well.
No, why they gonna charge too much?
Double toilet to Easy Beat. Yo.
100,000 for a night. You be flight.
You be flight? How many years I
From
want
here to London, go be 98,000.
Double toilet to Tokasu, God was the producer. Double toilet to Andy Baba. Double toilet to everybody waiting for Inside Production. Where they take care of this program. Double toilet to Basket Mouth.
Finally, all those guys where they ask person for Weavon. Their father.
Peace.
And they talk the one where they pay me for mine.
Peace. More to peace out. Peace. That's how we roll. Watch out for the album. It's coming out soon.
Their father.
Their father. Peace. Come on.
Hey.
Their father.
Yeah. All those guys where they like to go shopping.
Their father.
All those guys where they remove the king.
Their father.
If you get belly, you must go to the king.
Their father.
All those guys where they like to breastfeed.
Their father.
All those guys where they don't know how to cook.
Their father.
All those guys where
Their father.